Hi friends, welcome to srisai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: LinkedHashSet class with Foreach-Loop in Java Collections Framework. So first of all, we'll understand what are collections framework in Java. So what is Java collections? So collections means collection of objects or group of objects as a single unit or single object in Java program. Then what is framework? So framework means library which is provided by Java to work with collection of objects in Java collections framework. So it is provided to us in the form of java.util package. So in this java.util package, we have collection interface, which is a top level or a base interface for different classes and interfaces which are available in Java collections framework. So under this collection interface, we have four popular collections. First one, list collection, second one, set collection, third one, queue collection, and fourth one, map collection. And all these four popular collections are subinterfaces for collection interface. So coming to some technical points related to the collections. So collections is only for objects but not primitive data types. If we add any primitive data type value like integer, character, boolean, or floating, internally it will be stored as object only. So in collections, everything and every data is stored as object itself, and to be more precise, it will be stored as object class, object format, where object class is a superclass for all the classes in Java programming. So now coming to the concept of LinkedHashSet class with Foreach-Loop. So first of all, LinkedHashSet class is available in java.util package, and LinkedHashSet class is inherited from HashSet class and set interface. So set interface is inherited from collection interface. So collection interface is inherited from iterable interface. So iterable interface is available in java.lang package, and collection, set, HashSet, and LinkedHashSet are available in java.util package. So coming to some technical points related to the LinkedHashSet. So LinkedHashSet is a collection of objects representing or implementing linked list and hash table data structure. It means that every object will have a link to other object, previous object or next object. Example, obj1, obj2, obj3, obj4, obj5. So link means it will be having a reference to other objects, previous and next objects. So the advantage is operations which are done on LinkedHashSet are very quick and fast. So LinkedHashSet initial default capacity is 16. Its initial load factor is 0.75. So load factor decides the capacity of a LinkedHashSet. For example, initial capacity is 16 and load factor is 3 by 4. So 16 into 3 by 4 is 12. So when we add 12th element, automatically the capacity will become 16 plus 16, 32 double. Similarly, 32 into 3 by 4, which is 24. When we add 24th element, automatically the capacity will become 64, which is double, 32 plus 32. And in LinkedHashSet, we don't have indexes to the collection of objects. LinkedHashSet does not accept duplicate objects, and in LinkedHashSet, order of objects is preserved, whereas in its base class HashSet, order is not preserved because of hashing technique. And LinkedHashSet accepts null values, only one value, because duplicates are not accepted. And coming to the constructors and methods, it goes like this. So if you see the description of the class, java p-p java.util.LinkedHashSet, open the command prompt and give this command. Right. So LinkedHashSet, it is inherited from HashSet, and it also implements set interface. Right. So in LinkedHashSet, we are going to use this constructor, default constructor with a capacity of 16 and load factor 0.75. So here we don't have any extra method. We are going to use the methods from the base class HashSet. So we are going to add objects into the linked HashSet using add of obj, which is inherited from the base class. Now coming to the for each loop. So for each loop is specially designed for collection of objects and group of data like arrays. So what is the use of this loop? So this loop is executed depending upon number of elements available in a collection or array. And here we use for keyword only. And very important point, so in for each loop we don't have initialization, condition checking, increment decrement of a loop variable. So the syntax goes like this: for is the keyword, and then we have to pass data type variable colon collection object, and then loop body is executed. So how this for each loop is evaluated or executed? So here each time one object from the collection is assigned to loop variable and then loop body is executed. So this process is continued for all the remaining elements of the collection. So if the collection is having 5 objects, loop is executed 5 times. If the collection is having 10 objects, then the loop is executed 10 times. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. LinkedHashSet class example 4.java. So take a new page. So first we'll write the comments: program to demo LinkedHashSet class with for each loop. So import java.util package. So take the main class with main method and save the program with .java as extension. So first we'll create an object of LinkedHashSet. LHS is equals to new LinkedHashSet, and then we are adding some elements into the LinkedHashSet: 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, and print LinkedHashSet. So we'll execute till here. So let us put a comment for the for each loop. Right, so save this program, come to the command prompt. So compile the program. LinkedHashSet class example 4.java. Right, so no error, run it. So 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. So these elements from the LinkedHashSet we are going to access using for each loop. Okay, right. So clear screen. So take the for each loop. We use for keyword only. So for data type variable. So the data type is object class, variable is X. X is a variable because in collection everything is stored in the form of objects, and to be more precise it will be stored in object class object format. And for this we are assigning LHS. So each one element from the LHS is assigned to X, and X will be displayed on the output screen. When there are no elements, it will come out of the loop and print end of the loop. So save this program. Right, so recompile, no error, and run. So 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. So 5 elements loop is executed 5 times. So now let us try to perform some operations on X. So let us take a tab space and we'll write something like X plus 1. So here X is a object class format. So we have to do downcasting into integer format. So int X plus 1. Right, so save this, recompile, and run. So 11, 12, 22, 23, 33, 34, 45, and 56. So this is how we are supposed to work with LinkedHashSet class with for each loop in Java Collections framework. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment, and share this video. And also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.